guys, welcome back to another episode. Here with Marcus. We're back on the private beast utilizing the blind again. We have not had them come by, but we set up where they've been running by the last few days that we've been out here. Very tired. We have today and tomorrow technically for this season, but it's been a grind. Trying to get them on here and then run on public, so we get them off to the left. Goblins, hoping they work their way this way.
They're way out there.
You miss him?
He's down! He's down! Yes.
There's vents to the right. Don't move. Don't move. Let's get back in. What is going on, dude? Did you get that?
Yeah.
What was going on?
I don't know. He like got alive again.
Are you out of rounds then?
I am out of rounds.
Well, let me come on out quick.
Bro. Dude, I don't know. I might need to pattern my shotgun or something. But I have never had a turkey do that. Literally all my birds I've shot stone cold. Like, I thought he was dead that second shot when he was out there because he wasn't moving. Like he's gotta be dead now.
Yeah, I think he's dead. There's still that one over there, but I think we leave him today. And
Do you want to go bum to a public spot quick and I'll just film you?
we don't have much time.
Dude, I'm lost. That's the most shots I've had to use on like a turkey ever. Here, Ethan. Let's go. Never had issues with that gun.
Yeah, that was.
Dude, I'm just lost for words right now. That's all I am. Dude, I'm just gonna grab these quick.
Did you see any out there at all? Yeah, I think they're gone.
Did you hear him spitting and drumming though?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I was like, we heard that last gobble. I'm like, dude, that's right over here. And then you said you saw all them hens.
I'm like,
Dude, and they heard, and he just came running in. Dude, I am so lost for words right now. Like, I don't even know. I have never had issues. I was right on him. He got spooked by something. I don't know what.
I think it was the decoys. Until they realized they were fake.
Are you still rolling right now?
Yeah, I'm filming you.
Okay.
I want some coming over right now.
Dude, there's turkeys out there.
Actually?
Yeah.
Toms?
2 hens. 3 hens.
They're not spooked then.
Should we just boogie around?
Yeah, we probably should.
Okay.
Oh, here, they got my case.
Okay, just, here. I'm just gonna grab it.
Well, morning everyone. We got her done this morning. It wasn't the most conventional way, I'd say, but nevertheless, we got a bird on the ground. I don't know really what happened on the first, second, even third shot. Like, this bird was freaking tough. I don't know. It's got freaking steel, feathers of steel on him, but yep, just second to last day here in Wisconsin, so we'll see what happens here the next last day. But nice gobbler down. Good way to end my season here, my first season. So we'll see. We'll probably be out this rest of the year. So hopefully we can get Ethan on a bird tomorrow morning. So get some pictures here and we'll be on our way.